Most icons in the app can be changed and customized in the icon library. To access the icon library, head over to the left navigation panel and click on Admin, then App Setup. In the top left corner, click Customize Icons. There are 3 sections: screen icons to launch forms, annotation icons, which are shapes that can be dragged onto media fields, and system icons for navigation and shortcuts. In the Icon Set drop-down, you will find multiple icon set themes that might better suit your application or branding. Once you choose a theme, any of the icons in the current set can be swapped out. Icons must be 192 pixels by 192 pixels and in the PNG format. Click Save to apply the new icon. Head over to the Screens page and click Settings on one of your forms. Your new icon is now available as an option in the drop-down.